So easy to criticize, not so easy to create. How backwards is that? Because it was a time, but that's all we love to do, create. It's who we really are. We come from the Creator. We natural creators. We got to get back to that. We all got something to offer. Every last one of us. Make it, create it, and share it with the world. That's life. That's what we do. Love y'all. Be easy.
Every day it'll be sunny, it's no more winter time. And don't worry about haters, here everybody shines. We live in trouble free, and there's no pain to feel. It's a beautiful life, if only it was real.